What the fuck?
Put your hands behind, dude. Do what I
Drop
tell
your
you
phone
to
and
do.
put your
Drop
hands
it
behind
right
your
now.
back.
Drop your phone, dude.
He's a code 3. He's a code 3.
Dude, stop! 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 Give me your hand! Stop!
I'm resisting. I'm not resisting.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, I
Don't even fucking Andy bit
code
me.
3 for resisting now too.
I did not.
Alright, let's play handcuffs, dude.
Mm.
Yeah, real smart, dude.
Anybody else ever goes that way?
Has he got a gun on him?
He's got weed in his hoodie pocket.
Stay right there. Don't fucking breathe. Keep your hands where it's
Copy.
Roll towards me.
Keep them coming in.
Okay, you're safe.
Yeah, hey, come here. I got a gun right here.
Can you get it out, please?
No, stop. Keep your hands down.
Sir.
Stop.
Sir.
Don't do a damn thing.
I'm not, sir. Can you
All right?
Yes.